Changing the email link to your Revolut account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select email address. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Account Information. Tap on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your Revolut account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.